It is so hot. I think we went straight from spring into the swamp butt season. It is already 95 and it's gross. So I'm gonna sit here for a little bit, eat my lunch, and then I'm gonna go spray paint. Weekend again, Saturday, tree trimming. So I called the company out to do a estimate on taking down some of these overhanging limbs, and they want almost $2,500 to pretty much go straight up my property line, which is at the fence. More branches fell down after we had another tornado warning situation the other day. I just cut this guy off, a bunch of others. I'm going to trim out a few more, but I'm going to move these things out of the way. Harbor Freight, using a pole saw. Obviously I only cut a little bit through, let gravity pull it, and then I go back to the other side and hit it. And it pops right down, right out of the way from me. So I'm going to trim these out a little bit, kind of clean it up so I can have a little bit more sunlight, and also not face having all of these tree limbs come down on my house. Always a mess. Okay, so tie down is bolted in. My fender bolts are ready. I had to drill holes for those because they had to get repaired when I fixed that frame like 2 years ago. Let's see. I only got one of my body spacers in under that one right now. I am going to have to find a way to lift this whole body up just a half an inch so I can slide this 1/4 inch piece of rubber through. See, as you just saw, drilled a hole. I need longer screws to fit the length between this, the plate of the body, and then the plate of the actual trailer plug. So that's gotta happen. Let's see what else. We got all these done last time. I left out of here in a quick, fast, and hurry last night. Just got tired and it was hot. So thanks, Kaiser. Thank you. Thank you. That's why it smells like pee under there all the time. Well, I lost the woodruff key that I need for the pedal assembly, so I ran down to the Harbor Freight and found this thing. I'm gonna give this a shot. see if I could find one that would fit. So actually my motive was to go down and donate blood for the American Red Cross. But when I show up and I had an appointment, they decided they weren't ready and they weren't gonna be for another hour and a half, so I don't have that kind of time to sit around and wait for them to get their stuff together when they're there every day. So I'll go back another day. Alright, let's fix the steering bar. Well, it's actually a clutch cross shaft. We fix that. I'm going to put the shield on, and then I think I might put the pan in here and try to determine how I'm going to fabricate. So I've got to fill that. There's a bunch. The 5s are too wide. They just don't fit in there right. Too wide. So let's try this guy. Too low. So it's a 4 by 6.5 by 15 mil. Let me try the 4 7.5 18 mil. Should say what I used here is what they call an elevator bolt. It's flat on the one side. It's kind of like a carrot bolt with the square right under the head. Bang that thing in and tightened it up, and now I can put my fuel tank right here with this regular bolt not affecting it. Oh, I missed one. I guess I gotta tighten that down. Okay, let me get at it. Alright, I think I'm done for the day. It's 4 o'clock. It is hot. I gotta let the dogs out. They're banging on the door back there. So it's time to close this up. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the hood. I might just leave it like this and put the cover over the top. We'll see.